Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn about the 5 reasons you're struggling to lose weight with PCOS. We'll explain how intermittent fasting can help you with weight loss. You'll get a simple and effective diet plan tailored for PCOS. We'll also share intermittent fasting guidelines and tips to make it work for you. Plus, we'll provide exercise recommendations to speed up your progress. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear strategy to manage PCOS and achieve your weight loss goals. First, let's talk about 5 reasons you might not be losing weight with PCOS. To begin with, consider this: insulin resistance. PCOS often leads to insulin resistance. This means your body doesn't respond well to insulin, causing blood sugar spikes and more fat storage, especially around your abdomen. Next, let's explore this hormonal imbalance. With PCOS, elevated levels of testosterone and other hormones can interfere with your metabolism, making it harder for your body to burn fat. Now, here's another reason: increased appetite. High insulin and stress hormones like cortisol can trigger hunger, leading to overeating and weight gain. You might feel like you're always hungry, no matter what you eat. This one's important too: slow metabolism. PCOS can also slow down your metabolism, meaning your body burns fewer calories, making weight loss more challenging. Finally, don't overlook this: chronic inflammation. PCOS is linked to chronic inflammation, which makes it even harder for your body to lose weight effectively. Inflammation can slow down fat-burning processes. Here's a simple power drink mix to boost your health. Take 1 cup each of jeera seeds, methi seeds, and kalonji seeds. Mix them well and store in a glass bottle for easy use. Lightly roast the mixture to remove any moisture. You can store this mix for up to 1 month and use this daily for added benefits. Let's explore a straightforward intermittent fasting diet for PCOS, featuring foods that help balance your hormones and boost your metabolism. Begin your day with a powerful drink. Add 1 tablespoon of the jeera, methi, and kalonji mix to 5 cups of water. Boil it down to 4 cups. Consume 1 cup in the morning, 1 before lunch, 1 before dinner, and 1 before bed for the best results. For breakfast, we have several great options. Cabbage paratha, high in fiber. This paratha helps regulate blood sugar and keeps you full for longer, making it easier to stick to your fasting routine. Vegetable masala oats, with whole moong, packed with protein and fiber. This dish stabilizes blood sugar and promotes digestion. Multigrain dalia, with moong dal, a great source of slow digesting carbohydrates. This meal supports weight loss by preventing blood sugar spikes. Whole wheat sevi upma with peanuts, full of protein and healthy fats. It keeps you satisfied and reduces cravings throughout the day. Boiled moong salad, high in protein and low in calories. This salad helps reduce insulin resistance and supports fat burning. At 12 p.m., for your mid-morning snack, enjoy any one seasonal fruit. Fruits like papaya, apple, or guava provide natural sweetness, fiber, and antioxidants, which support digestion and help balance blood sugar. At 1 p.m., an hour before lunch, drink a glass of water infused with jeera, methi, and kalonji. For your 2 p.m. lunch, here are 5 nutritious options tailored for PCOS. Option 1: salad with roti and lauki chana dal, rich in fiber and protein to stabilize blood sugar levels. Option 2: salad with curd rice, providing probiotics that improve gut health and reduce inflammation. Option 3: roti with paneer sabji, offering protein and calcium for hormonal balance and strong bones. Option 4: chole curry with roti, loaded with plant-based protein to support insulin sensitivity. Option 5: salad with sabzi, dal, and roti, a balanced meal for sustained energy and overall health. 1 hour after lunch, enjoy a glass of buttermilk for scanty or delayed periods, or opt for sweetened lassi if you are experiencing heavy bleeding. These combinations not only nourish but also address specific PCOS symptoms effectively. For your 5 p.m. evening snack, Pair a cup of herbal tea with one of these healthy options. Option 1. Unsalted peanuts and soaked almonds for protein and healthy fats. Option 2. Roasted makhana and soaked almonds to curb cravings and support hormone health. Option 3. Roasted chana with soaked almonds, a perfect mix of fiber and nutrients to keep you energized. At 6 p.m., an hour before dinner, drink a glass of water infused with jeera, methi, and kalonji. For dinner at 7 p.m., here are some great options for weight loss with PCOS. Option 1. Dal khichdi, a wholesome, fiber-rich meal that aids digestion and helps control hunger cravings. Option 2. Moong dosa with sambar, packed with protein and low in calories, it supports fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. Option 3. Dal soup with roasted vegetables, a nutrient-dense, low-calorie option that boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning. Option 4. Masala khichdi, a balanced meal that keeps you full longer, preventing overeating and aiding in weight loss. These dinner options are simple, effective, and help you stay on track with your weight loss goals while managing PCOS. At 10 p.m. during bedtime, drink a glass of water infused with jeera, methi, and kalonji. This diet plan follows a 9-hour eating window, from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., which includes 3 major meals and 2 small meals. However, you can adjust the timing based on your convenience and shorten it to an 8-hour window, with 2 major meals and 2 small meals. The key is to ensure that your last meal is finished by 7 to 7:30 p.m. for optimal digestion and hormonal balance. The aim is to keep your metabolism active and support weight loss throughout the day. You can change the timings as per your routine, but remember, consistency is key to seeing results. Now, here are some simple do's and don'ts for your intermittent fasting diet with PCOS. Make sure to use cow ghee for cooking, as it supports hormonal balance and helps with PCOS. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your body to recover. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day to maintain optimal health. Avoid skipping meals during your eating window as it disrupts metabolism. Don't overeat, practice portion control to stay on track. Say no to processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can lead to hormonal imbalances and weight gain. Now, let's talk about exercise. The best time to work out is after breakfast, from 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., when your body has energy from the food you've eaten. If mornings aren't convenient for you, try working out after lunch or before dinner, from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Consistency is key, so aim for 3 to 5 workouts a week to keep your body active and healthy. Focus on strength training exercises like squats, push-ups, and core exercises 3 to 4 times a week. For cardio, you can try activities like walking, cycling, or dancing, which are great for burning calories and boosting metabolism. And, if you're looking for beginner-friendly home workouts, we've made a video for you, so make sure to check it out in the end of this video. Here are the key takeaways. Intermittent fasting helps improve insulin sensitivity, balances hormones, and boosts fat burning. A PCOS-friendly diet, rich in fiber and protein, supports weight loss and keeps your energy up. Regular exercise enhances the effects of fasting and speeds up results. Stick to the do's and don'ts for the best outcome. For the best results, make sure to follow this diet for 3 to 6 months. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you on your PCOS journey. Don't forget to comment below with your feedback or any questions you may have. You can also download the entire diet plan, which is pinned in the comments or description. Just follow the link. Stay happy, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.